Archer Midnight eVTOL. The Archer Midnight eVTOL is changing the way we travel short distances. Designed for quick urban commutes and regional trips, this all-electric air taxi provides a fast, comfortable, and efficient alternative to traditional transportation. With a cruising speed of 150 miles per hour, Midnight can significantly reduce travel time compared to cars and other ground transport. It is built for trips within a 20 to 50 mile radius, making it perfect for city centers, suburbs, and airport transfers. One of its biggest advantages is its zero-emission electric motor, which helps create a cleaner and more sustainable future. The aircraft can carry a pilot and 4 passengers, making it ideal for business travelers and small groups. Unlike conventional planes, Midnight features vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capabilities, eliminating the need for runways. This makes it perfect for crowded urban areas with limited space. Safety is a top priority for Archer. The aircraft undergoes strict testing and is working towards FAA certification to ensure reliability. In the future, Archer plans to introduce autonomous flight technology, enhancing convenience and efficiency. With its speed, eco-friendliness, and innovative design, the Archer Midnight eVTOL is set to revolutionize urban air travel. Beta Technologies ALIA 250. The ALIA 250 eVTOL, developed by Beta Technologies, is an all-electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft designed to transform short-distance transportation. Inspired by the Arctic Tern's long migratory flights, the ALIA 250 features a sleek design with a 50-foot wingspan. It operates using 4 top-mounted electric propellers for vertical takeoff and landing. Once in the air, a rear pusher propeller takes over, ensuring smooth and efficient flight. With a range of 250 nautical miles, the ALIA 250 can cover longer distances than most eVTOLs, making it suitable for both air taxi services and cargo transport. It has a spacious cabin, accommodating 5 passengers and a pilot. Additionally, it can be modified for cargo, providing a flexible solution for modern air mobility needs. Beta Technologies is actively working towards FAA certification by 2026, paving the way for emission-free regional transportation. Major companies are already showing interest. United Parcel Service, UPS, has ordered up to 150 ALIA 250 aircraft to enhance their time-sensitive deliveries. With its long range, versatile design, and sustainability, the ALIA 250 eVTOL is set to make a major impact on both passenger travel and logistics. Cruise Up, the future of personal air travel. Imagine a world where traffic jams are a thing of the past. Cruise Up is bringing that vision to life with its revolutionary aircar concept. This personal flying vehicle, powered by advanced cycroair technology, promises to change how we travel forever. Unlike traditional cars, the Cruise Up can take off and land vertically, thanks to its 360-degree thrust vectoring system. This means there's no need for runways, making urban travel more efficient and freeing up valuable city space. But this innovation isn't just about convenience. The core technology behind Cruise Up is designed to be environmentally friendly, paving the way for a more sustainable transportation system. While specific details on its impact are still under wraps, one thing is clear: this vision sparks excitement about a future where personal air travel becomes a normal part of daily life.
Lockheed C-5M Super Galaxy. The Lockheed C-5M Super Galaxy is one of the most powerful strategic airlifters in the world today. It improves upon the capabilities of its predecessors with major upgrades. The aircraft is powered by 4 General Electric F138GE100 turbofan engines. Each engine produces 50,580 pounds of thrust, allowing the C-5M to reach a cruising speed of around 518 miles per hour. It can fly at altitudes up to 45,000 feet. In terms of size, the C-5M is impressive. It spans 247 feet in length and has a wingspan of 224 feet. It can handle a maximum takeoff weight of 840,000 pounds. When it comes to payload, the C-5M can carry up to 285,000 pounds of cargo. This includes oversized items like helicopters and armored vehicles. The cargo bay itself is 121 feet long, 13.5 feet high, and 19 feet wide. It can hold up to 36 standard-sized pallets. The C5M also benefits from advanced avionics and a modernized maintenance system. These upgrades improve its reliability and efficiency, making it a vital asset for global airlift operations. In conclusion, the Lockheed C5M Super Galaxy is a key player in military and logistics operations worldwide, offering unmatched capabilities in transporting heavy and oversized loads.
PAL V Liberty. The PAL V Liberty is a unique vehicle that combines a car and an airplane in one. This two-seater flying car, developed in the Netherlands, lets you drive on roads like a regular car and take off into the sky when needed. Switching between driving mode and flying mode takes just 5 minutes. In the air, it functions as a gyroplane, known for its stability and easy handling. On the ground, it transforms into a compact car that can fit in a standard parking space. Safety is a top priority. The PAL V meets both road and aviation regulations, meaning drivers need both a pilot's license and a driver's license to operate it. While the price hasn't been publicly revealed, this high-tech innovation is expected to be a significant investment. The PAL V Liberty is designed for those seeking a new level of freedom and efficiency in personal transportation. The Aircar, a visionary designer from Larini Design Studio, has introduced a groundbreaking concept, the Aircar. This jet-powered flying vehicle could change the way we travel by soaring above traffic at an incredible speed of 750 kilometers per hour. Despite its high speed, the Aircar is compact, measuring just 6 meters long. Its sleek carbon fiber monocoque body is built for both speed and maneuverability. Powering this futuristic machine are 4 independent Rolls-Royce jet engines, providing exceptional control and agility. These advanced engines can tilt and rotate, allowing the Aircar to adjust its altitude, navigate tight turns, or fly smoothly over long distances. With a range of 1,000 kilometers, this luxurious flying car is perfect for adventurers looking to explore new horizons. While still in the concept stage, a prototype is expected in 2024, bringing us one step closer to a future where air travel is personal and accessible. Volante Vision concept. Aston Martin is pushing the boundaries of luxury transportation with its Volante Vision concept, a hybrid electric VTOL aircraft designed for a future of congestion-free travel. This 3-seater aircraft combines cutting-edge technology with Aston Martin's signature design. Developed in collaboration with Cranfield University, Cranfield Aerospace Solutions, and Rolls-Royce, the Volante Vision aims to provide a silent, smooth, and efficient air travel experience. Imagine gliding above traffic, taking off and landing vertically from designated urban points, and reaching your destination in record time. The spacious, luxurious cabin ensures maximum comfort, much like Aston Martin's high-end sports cars. While still a concept, the Volante Vision represents a future where personal air mobility becomes a reality. Aston Martin continues to lead in transportation innovation, shaping a new era of urban travel.
Jetson 1. The Jetson 1 is an electric aerial vehicle that's changing how we think about flying. It doesn't require a pilot's license, so anyone can enjoy the thrill of flight. Powered by 8 motors and 8 propellers, the Jetson 1 is built for stability and control. It's easy to fly, thanks to its intuitive flight computer. Safety is a top priority. The Jetson 1 features a race car-inspired safety cell. It also has an auto-land function to ensure you land safely, every time. The Jetson 1 is designed with redundancy in mind. Even if one motor fails, it can keep flying without a hitch. Join the electric aviation revolution. Experience the freedom of flight like never before with the Jetson 1. UDX Airwolf Hover Bike. The UDX Airwolf Hover Bike is an innovative aircraft designed for both speed and convenience. This hoverbike accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3 seconds. It has an impressive maximum speed of 230 km per hour, making it perfect for quick commutes or adventurous trips to more remote areas. Priced at €350,000, the Airwolf is the pinnacle of its class, combining advanced technology with eco-friendly design. It can fly for up to 25 minutes on a single charge, covering a distance of 66 kilometers. One of its standout features is its carbon composite wings. These wings reduce energy consumption, allowing for longer flights while using less power. Charging is simple and efficient. With a standard car charger, you can power it up to 90% in just 30 minutes. This makes it not only fast to fly but also quick to recharge. The UDX Airwolf also uses tilt rotor technology. This allows it to perform precise vertical takeoffs, smooth forward flights, and stable landings. Its tiltable electric ducted fans ensure seamless control and maneuverability. Whether you need a quick flight around town or an efficient way to reach secluded spots, the UDX Airwolf hover bike offers speed, style, and sustainability. Bell 360 Invictus, the future of attack reconnaissance. The Bell 360 Invictus is designed for the U.S. Army's Future Attack Reconnaissance Aircraft (FARA) program. It stands out with exceptional maneuverability, speed, and agility. This makes it ideal for both urban and rugged terrains. Equipped with a 20mm cannon, the Invictus is ready for any combat scenario. It also has an internal payload bay for modular launchers, ensuring versatility in missions. The aircraft is built with modern manufacturing processes, ensuring affordability and long-term reliability. It features an integrated supplemental power unit to boost performance and a fly-by-wire system for precise control. The Bell 360 Invictus is ready to change the way attack reconnaissance missions are carried out. With its unbeatable capabilities, it will provide unmatched readiness and effectiveness in any combat situation. EHang. Revolutionizing transportation with autonomous aerial vehicles. EHang is changing the future of transportation with its autonomous aerial vehicles. Their vision is to create a system similar to an underground bus network. It would have centralized oversight and specific routes between set points. Safety is a top priority for EHang's autonomous vehicles. These vehicles are designed with multiple backup systems. They feature power redundancy, fully autonomous operations, and backup systems for flight control, communications, and navigation. Interestingly, EHang's models suggest that flying in autonomous aerial vehicles could be more cost-effective than traditional taxi rides. This could make it a profitable option for operators. While most discussions focus on urban applications, EHang also sees great potential in non-urban areas. Their vehicles could replace services provided by helicopters in various sectors. EHang's vision is transformative. In the near future, their autonomous aerial vehicles might become an essential part of our daily lives. Aircraft Industries L410 ING. The Aircraft Industries L410 ING is a twin-engine turboprop designed to seat 19 passengers. It's widely known for its exceptional short takeoff and landing capabilities, making it ideal for tough environments. This model is an evolution of the L410 UVPE-20. It features more powerful engines, the G85200, paired with quieter AV725 propellers. These improvements boost the aircraft's overall performance and significantly reduce noise. The L410 ING also boasts a redesigned wing. This wing includes integrated fuel tanks, which doubles the aircraft's range. It can now fly up to 2,570 kilometers, or about 1,387 nautical miles, without refueling. When it comes to speed, this aircraft can cruise at up to 417 kilometers per hour. It's capable of operating on unpaved runways as short as 590 meters, or 1,936 feet, making it perfect for remote locations with limited infrastructure. The cabin is spacious, offering comfortable seating for 19 passengers. The aircraft also features an increased payload capacity. This allows it to carry an additional 500 kilograms of cargo compared to earlier versions. With these upgrades, the L410 ING is a versatile aircraft. It's reliable in challenging conditions and ideal for operators who need to access difficult-to-reach areas. Bellwether. The future of urban air mobility. Introducing Bellwether Industries, a London-based startup that is changing the future of air travel. They are revolutionizing the skies with their electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, also known as the Air. This innovative EV features an electric propulsion system and a unique wingless design, making it ideal for urban landscapes. It's built to operate efficiently in city environments, offering a new way to move through crowded areas. Bellwether recently unveiled their third-generation aircraft model, the Oryx EV. Initially designed to carry a pilot and 2 passengers, the Oryx is expected to expand its capacity to 4 passengers in the future. But Bellwether is not just about cutting-edge aircraft. They are focused on reshaping how we navigate our world. Their goal is to make air travel more accessible and convenient, offering transportation that's just one call away. With a vision centered on human-centric aerial innovation, Bellwether Industries is bringing us closer to realizing the true potential of urban air mobility. It's a bold step toward the future of transportation.